The Meghalaya SSA Schools Association and the 4th Teachers Association felicitated Chief Minister Conrad Sangma for introducing the Structured Pay Framework SPF to enhance service protection and financial stability. Speaking on the occasion, Sangma said that the journey had been long and challenging for teachers, adding that he was glad to have contributed to a solution that recognizes their services and ensures dignity and financial security. He stated that the issue was complex but was resolved through collective efforts and appreciated the association for their perseverance. He further informed that the SPF, effective from 1st April 2026, aims to strengthen social and financial security while urging teachers to prioritize students, adding that education remains a key focus for the government.
Shri Velurin Kinde, I must take this opportunity to really express my sincere gratitude to all of you. Very rarely does it happen, for politicians especially, that we are honored and we are thanked for whatever we do. But as Christians, we always believe that kindness and gratitude is something that should be part of what we are as human beings. And I'm so happy that today the SSA Association as well as the 4th Teachers Association, in thousands, I was surprised to see the number of teachers out here. Really surprised. So on behalf of my entire cabinet, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for organizing this wonderful program. And I would like our cabinet colleagues to please give a round of applause for our teachers who have organized this wonderful program. Thank you so much. But while I say that, what we are experiencing today and how we have reached here today, as has been seen in the video clip that we just saw, it's been a very long and difficult journey. You have been through a lot. You have sacrificed a lot. You have gone through a lot of pain and you have gone through a lot of struggle. I'm only happy that I could be part of this journey with you from 2016, when I was a member of parliament, till the point today when we are actually able to come to some kind of a solution to ensure that the service that is given by our teachers is recognized. The dignity that you deserve is given. The financial stability that your family and individually at your level that you deserve is being given. And while there are many issues that could still be there in the future, but I'm happy to see that we have all worked together to make this day a possibility. And therefore, I would like to thank God Almighty, for we are all instruments in His hand. We have all our responsibilities given to us by him. Whether it is your president, whether it's any of the teachers, whether it's the education minister, deputy chief minister, all the officials, there is a purpose for each one of us. And it is God's plan that has made all of this possible.
Following the program, vocational teachers held a rally towards Jayao, during which the Chief Minister met them midway at Jayao Padang Main Road. The teachers submitted a memorandum demanding structured pay, to which Sangma responded that he would do whatever possible within his limits to address their concerns.
Nishmat penyelidik pada tada hasil sisa kembang orang ke ngadu meneh ba ngikuat tang ban pendi kini demand sepelakat jongi te nada kim sha yang minta te ngihabane song meeting bat ki members jongi tengin sepet kai ni la ban le ngin sele le tengin saya le hi bala hadu ba dalong skam tada kila ban ong ki public ki pajak ba ngikuat ban fokus haka skills education melipat ki kelet iki grassroots level teachers pada kimla ban penbiang iki anohikai jaga kanu ga badan kam habaya debat kanega grassroots level vocational education haki school ta kan mentoy yu long ta ada kila ban sedang nadu ba ki grassroots level along ba it's easy for them, it'll be easy for them to implement to the next level, to the higher levels. Long ta te kim la ban kom ko bathung jung thung la dang im la ban pen thung ba do bas dang kum no ki jung thung jung ken long ta ma education te menta te min abe hadu bokut ka nega meeting joki nang ne sakmat pada kim le ye te ngin siap plan ba dak wai pat ka asen cha.
What happened?
So we are from vocational education teachers union.
Okay.
So
Tell me.
I'm the president of the union.
So what's the issue?
Our issue is that our
In the
demand
pay
has still
structure?
pending. Yeah. We are from vocational education.
Do you have the papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We
this?
have all these submitted everything from right from 2023. From this year we started, but we haven't.
Let me go through this. I'm not aware. So many issues are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not very much aware. I'll get back to you. Your contact number is here?
Yes, sir. Submit on this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'll try to work. Okay. We try to help as much as possible, whatever is within the limits.
Yes, sir.
No, I'll do my best. Okay. Right. See you guys. Thank you, sir.